And the Bronx fire tragedy has devastated one Jamaican family. Members of that family in New York have been reacting to the tragedy. ABC's New York affiliate's reporter Candace McCowan has more on the victims of the deadly Bronx apartment building fire.
His family tells me that everything was normal, and then 5 minutes later it was chaos. This is the large family, so they lived between two apartments in this one building, and they say they never saw it coming.
She leave me just like that. I say, I soon come back. Our aunt live upstairs, and when she go upstairs, go look for her aunt.
Those were her father's final words to his daughter. Howard Williams' 19-year-old daughter, Shawntay, left their basement apartment and went to the 5th floor to her aunt's apartment.
When I come out, I just see the fire.
That was just before 7 Thursday night. The flames starting on the 1st floor and spreading quickly upwards to every other floor, trapping people inside.
Couldn't tell her why it goes so fast. Nobody could tell her why it goes so fast.
Howard says he tried to get to his daughter, but the smoke was just too thick. Of the dead, 4 are related to Howard and his wife Elaine. His daughter never made it out. Her 37-year-old Aunt Karen and 2 cousins, 2-year-old Kylie and 7-year-old Kalisha, were all on the 5th floor. They didn't survive.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. 4 from one family, come on, no.
The grandmother of the 3 youngest victims is besides herself.
What do I do? Where do I go from here?